So guys, sorry for the break in transmission. We are back. So you can join us right now. So we are short across multiple pairs: gold, GBP, USD, AUD, USD. We are all short on these pairs, and we are all short on this pair, and we are waiting to see what's going to happen, guys. Sorry for the break in transmission. If you're just joining us, you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. So we are on three trades, we are trading three pairs right now. Euro U sorry. I want to take a look at Euro USD if we can get some trades on Euro USD too. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. We have an open trade on gold. The reason why we took this trade is because gold uh, have actually hit a higher time a resistant level at 1759.27, and then we got into this consolidation, and I think right now the market is actually falling. We are also short on GBP because GBP have actually hit this higher time frame support and could not break above it. So we are actually going to go short, and then we are targeting this level at 1.19405. So that's our thoughts on these pairs. Tell us your thoughts. What do you think is going to happen? Okay. So we are up on all these pairs. Even Euro USD is doing same thing similar, and now it have actually even broken. You can see Euro USD have actually broken. Okay, Euro USD have actually broken the support, and then it is crashing to the. It's falling to the ground. So we are shorts right now, guys. We are shorts, and we are still holding it because we believe that this market still have the potential to do even more pips to the downside. Okay, guys. So right now, so um, so this market is falling to the ground, and then when I'm taking a look at the USD, the USD is having a lot of is gaining strength at this point. The USD is gaining strength at this point, and that's why we're seeing this downtrend coming into this market, downward momentum coming to this market. If you're just joining us, tell us where you're joining us from, and tell us what you think about this market. Tell us what you think. Um, tell us what you think about this market, guys. So I believe that Euro USD is supposed to fall all the way down to 1.02634. That's where I'm hoping to take profit. But right now, I'm holding my positions right now. So I'm holding my positions right now, and I'm holding my positions right now, guys. So please, let's make it as usual. Let us make it interactive. You can actually give us a shout out. Tell us where you're joining us from, and tell us where you're joining us from, guys. So that give us a shout out. Tell us where you're joining us from. To help us to be able to tell us your opinion. Tell us where you're joining us from. Tell us your opinion, what you think about this pairs. I have AUD USD, and I'm targeting this level at 0.66978. That's my target. However, it's my target. Hello. So guys, sorry for the little break in transmission. So like I said, we are still in a downtrend, and we are hoping to get all the way down to this higher time frame support here at 0.66964. That's what we are looking to. That's where we are targeting to get down to. So if you're just joining us, can you tell us what you think about this pair? Give us your opinion. If you want to join our free Discord link, the link is on the description below. Let's make it as usual. Let us make it interactive. Oh my lord, I'm so stressed today, man. If you're just joining us, you're welcome, guys. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. Yeah, I'm sure on Euro USD right now. EU, mm, if you're just joining us, you're welcome. We are looking. These are the trades that we're hoping to get, and you know that we are almost nearing the New York session open. This move actually started on time. They started earlier than necessary, earlier than usual. So they say only it is only normal that we are going to get that pullback. Okay, it's only normal that we're going to get that pullback. So, but I think that after the New York Open, we are going to see that fall to the ground. That's what I think. Think that after the New York Open, we're going to see that fall to the ground. Right now, the market is actually going back. You know what I mean? If you have not gotten into this trade before the right now, do not get in. You have to wait until after New York Open because it's likely going to do some manipulation for the next 15 or 30 minutes. That's how they do. You know how we roll every New York session. You know how we roll, guys. So this is it. So give us your opinion, what you think. What do you think is going to happen in this market, guys? Can you give me write something on the comment section, please? Can you make it interactive? Trading can be very, very boring. When you write and you make it interactive, it could be fun, a lot of fun, guys. Okay, it could be a lot of fun, guys. So all you have to do is give us your comment. What you think is going to happen in this market? What do you think? What do you think? Give us your opinion. If you have a contrary opinion to what I think, this is my bias to the downside, and these are the levels that I'm looking at. So, guys, you're welcome if you're just joining us, and you can see on the screen my bias for these three pairs. I'm actually looking at these three pairs. I'm not actually looking at Euro USD because Euro USD have actually broken the resistance, the support. So I expect that move to continue to the downside. So, like I said, guys, you know how we roll. 15 to 30 minutes before the New York Open, it's gonna be manipulations, guys. So brace up and wait for the manipulation to be over, guys. That's all. Tell us what you think about this market. Tell us what you think is gonna happen. Tell us your thoughts. I'm still very bearish on these pairs. Three pairs that I have on my charts that I'm trading, and I'm still very bearish. I don't care what is happening right now, but the way they are all set up, I think that we are going to see some bearish momentum in this market. That's what I think. I don't know what you think. Can you tell us what you think on the comment section, guys? You're welcome. If you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX, the finest trading platform in the whole world. And here we're actually trying to do the New York session trading. Okay, we're trying to do the New York session trading, and then we are actually um, we're actually trying to do the New York session trading, guys. So and in this market, I'm very, very bearish. Don't mind what the market is doing right now. I am very, very bearish, guys. Very bearish. So tell us your bias, tell us your opinion. Where's my friend Elham? I've not seen Elham for a while. Hmm? So here I have open positions on gold, GBP USD, and AUD USD. So all we have to do at this point is to wait. All we have to do at this point is to wait it out until this market does what we want it to do, guys. So if you're on this trade, good luck. If you're not on this trade, I don't know what to say to you. Just watch us and while we enjoy the profit, guys. That's all. That's all we do here every day is to print some, some funds, some money. That's it, guys. We print some money. I'm very very bearish on this market, on this one today. And if you're just joining me, you're welcome. So all the parameters of the market is telling me that we are going to see some bearish move after New York Open. Mm. So guys, you're welcome. So I'm very very bearish, guys. If you're just joining us, I'm very bearish in this market. If you are just joining us, I'm very bearish. Like I said, you can see where I took my position from, and you can see my profit targets. You can see my profit targets. That's where I'm looking to get out of this market. This is it. So this is it, guys. So like I said, 15 to 30 minutes before the New York Open will always be filled with manipulations. So you need to brace up and wait. Okay, in the next 1 minute, we're gonna get the next 15 minutes candle, and then we'll see if you're gonna still have another uh, pullback. I think so. I think we're gonna have another pullback. No, yeah. So, but during the New York Open, the big money is gonna come into the markets. Hopefully, they're gonna drive the market down to our destination. So, if you're just joining us, you're welcome. Tell us what you think about this market. What pairs are you trading? And what do you think is gonna happen? It's been a while since I streamed live. Woof, guys, I've been so busy, super super busy. So bear with me, guys, if I don't come online as often as I used to. If I don't stream as much as I used to, um, bear with me, guys. It's only for a while, okay? Soon I'm gonna be here full time, okay, as usual. So just bear with me, guys. Please bear with me. Be here with me, guys. Okay? Bear with me. If I'm not live, if I'm not here as much as I used to, please bear with me, guys. Okay, bear with me. So today on my radar, I have gold, I have GBP USD, and I have AUD USD. Hope you're well. Have you already shorted gold, or are you just waiting? I already start with one position already. So I'm waiting for the New York Open. Then I'm going to add more, add more, add more, because I know I'm waiting for it to shoot to the downside. If you're not in this trade already, please you can wait a little bit for the next 15 minutes candle to finish. You can wait when the real action begins. You understand? Because if you get in now, you're going to just get into the manipulation with me. So you're going to get into the manipulation, and it's not everybody have the mind to wait out the manipulation. But if you think you have the mind to wait out the manipulation, you can join me. But I am very positive that this market is actually going to the downside. It's going to fall to the ground. That's what I think. So I already opened one position. If it starts falling, then I'm going to add more positions to it. So right now, that's it. So I opened two positions on GBP USD already. I opened two positions on GBP. As you can see how it is falling to the ground. See it, GBP USD is falling to the ground. You can see I opened two positions already, and I'm already in good profit on that one. I'm already in good profit on that one while I'm waiting for other ones. AUD USD too, I opened one position, so they are all falling to the ground. It is only gold that, okay, they have started already. Even the gold have already started. They started very early today. I was expecting them to start after the New York Open, but now they already started very early. So this is good. So I decided to, because I saw the way the market was dropping, I decided to get in at those week above. So now that it's already out of the week, I'm already in profit. So that's the good thing. So the reason why I did like that is because I know that there's a possibility of that pullback, and I don't want that pullback to put me in a very negative drawdown. Sure, you understand? I hope you understand what I mean. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, but right now I'm already in good profit on all of them. On gold, GBP, USD. I think they started very early today. They didn't even allow the thing to. That's kind of crazy. They didn't even allow the thing to the New York Open to the New York equity to open. They just started to drop this market very fast. That's kind of cool. I know that they do that sometimes, though. They do that sometimes because everybody is waiting for after New York session. But after New York session now, you might see that they might just do this pullback. They do a strong pullback. You know what I mean, guys? Oh my lord, these people, I love them so much. The way they deal with the traders is kind of funny. Sometimes people are waiting for the market to drop after New York session. They don't know that the market have already started dropping already. Do you understand? So that's kind of funny, right? Yeah. They don't know that the market have already started dropping already. So that's it. They don't know that. So that's it. For me, I am a little bit of a kind of aggressive trader. I believe I'm kind of aggressive in my approach in the market to the market. So you don't blame me for that, right? Once I get a good profit, I already added all my positions. Once I get a good profit, I'm going to start taking profit. Once I want it to drop a little bit further. Once it go like halfway down, I'm going to take out some profits. Yeah, I'm going to take out some profits, and then I'm going to allow the rest to run, because for them to start very early, the New York might start, and they will just boom to the other side. You understand what I mean? So that's kind of thing happens. So I've been so busy, that's why I've not been streaming like I used to. So you guys should bear with me. It happens. I'm so busy with my students. A lot of things are going on in the inner circle. Like a lot of things I'm doing with my students. So we're doing a lot of back testing. I'm teaching them. We're doing a lot of back testing together, and me myself, I've been doing a lot of back testing to myself too. So that's the reason why I've not been so consistent in this market. Do you understand, guys? Yeah. So I hope you guys understand. Yeah. But ordinarily, I'll be here. The reason why I'm not here is because I'm so busy. I'm trading. I'm actually back testing. I'm doing a lot of work. Whenever I'm not here, I'm doing a lot of work. And we've done a lot of things together in the inner circle with my students. I am actually showing them how to back test, what to look out for, how to master the skills, the trading skills. Not just it's not just about having trading skills. You need to know how to master those skills, take advantage of them, and use them to your own advantage. I hope you understand. So that is what I'm teaching them to know how to backtest. I'm teaching them a lot of things to get to I'm teaching them a lot of things to how to do it by themselves. So it's awesome. It's so amazing. I think a lot of people didn't even know that you can actually use these backtesting skills to your own advantage, and you can you can improve in the market very fast. A lot of people are so interested in, oh, let us just go and get a trading challenge, let us go and trade and make money. They don't know that you need to do the work. People just see the glory, the good things, the winning trades when I come on live, but they don't see the work that we do behind the scene in order to be ready for the moment. In the trading, you do 90% of waiting, and you only trade 10% of the time. Yeah, most of the times you do 90% learning and only 10% action. That is insane, right? That's crazy, right? Yeah, that's trading for you. But a lot of people don't know that. They thought that trading is some kind of you know quick quick money and stuff. You don't have to work, you just make easy money. There's no easy money anywhere, guys. You have to work out your salvation, your glory. You have to work for it. No free lunch anywhere. So if you're just joining us, please, this is the trade that I took, and this is the place we are right now. I am going to start taking profits soon because I cannot. This market can actually reverse at any moment. I want to take partial profit. I don't like to leave money on the table when I have trades running like this in profit. Like this, when it runs to an extent, I want to take partial profit, um, and then I want to after taking partial profit, I'm gonna wait out the rest, because these people, you cannot trust them with your money. I've told you guys how it's done. You cannot trust these people with your money. So I have three pairs. You guys know how I trade. I don't trade just one pair. I take on them three, four at a time. Today I'm taking three pairs. I'm taking gold, I'm taking GBP USD, and I'm taking AUD USD. If you see AUD USD on the currency strength meter, you're not going to believe that. Look at the AUD USD on the currency strength meter. It has full strength, but look at the USD. Just have only 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. Just 4 bars. But guess what? I actually took that sell. The question you're going to ask me is, why did you take that sell? The reason why I took that sell, because I saw that arrow, that strength arrow coming in on the USD, and I know that definitely the USD has more strength than AUD USD. So I want to start taking profit, guys. I want to take some money out of this market. I do not trust these guys with my money. Never, never, never. So I'm going to take out some profit and allow. I'm closing 50% on each of them. So I'm going to allow the rest to run. So I'm not going to leave my money on the table to, I don't know, I don't want to gamble with my money or the profit that I've already made to go back to, because it's very easy. I've seen it happen a lot of times. So whenever I'm trading, I am always busy taking profits at interval. Okay, that is me. I've closed 50% in profit right now. So let's allow the remaining 50% to run. Let's see how it goes. Let's allow the remaining 50% to run. Okay, guys. Let's allow the remaining 50% to run. So if you're just joining us, if you want to learn how to trade like me, if you want to learn how to trade from me, you want to trade like, or just all you have to do is to join our free Discord, and then you have to DM me, tell me you want to learn how to trade from me. I'm going to tell you what to do. If you also want to get a free signal, you just have to join our free Discord. That's all. If you join our free Discord, everything is on there. You get free signal from me. Okay? I always post free signal. So that's it. Like I said, what we've been doing in the inner circle is a lot of back testing, guys. We've been doing a lot of back testing. I've been showing my students how to do these back testings like a professional trader, how to do this back testing, what to look out for when you are back testing, and how to journal your back testing in order to be able to get the maximum results. Because when you're trading, what people don't know is that when you're trading, You are actually trading yourself. Yeah. People don't know you are trading yourself. When you're trading, your view, your thoughts about life, about things, you know, they all manifest in your trading. They show the way you approach the market, your risk control, your risk management, your thoughts about survival and everything. The things that you've learned about life, they play a very significant role in your trading. People don't know these things. So they think that trading is just a joke. No, when you're trading, you have to trade. You're trading yourself too. You can see yourself, your behavior. The market is not your enemy. The market is not your problem, but your own thoughts within you is your. They are your own problem. Your own thoughts are the things that you are fighting with. Sometimes when you're saying you're dealing with the emotional problems, you're dealing with the stresses of the market, you see that you're not actually dealing with the market, you're dealing with yourself. It's yourself that you're trading. You see yourself in the trades that you're taking. You see yourself in your thought process, and that's what determines your results. So when you're trading, it's very important that you have to go and take a journal of yourself. I'm talking about back testing now. When you're back testing in live back testing live charts, you have to take a journal of yourself, your thought process, the reason why you take those trades. Trust me, by the time you go through the process, you're going to become a very good trader. That's you never ever thought you're going to be, you know. So that is what I teach my students to do. Okay, that's what I teach my students to do. So if you are just joining us, this is Millionaires FX, the finance trading platform anywhere in the world, and you're welcome. I want to welcome you. I want to appreciate you for joining us. It's awesome to have you with us. As you can see, this market have actually fallen to the ground. As you can see, it's the market is, it's not even New York session yet, and the market is already crazy. The market is already crazy. You can see how it is falling like crazy to the ground. So so today we're trading three pairs as usual. You know how we roll, guys. We know how we roll. We don't take only one. We don't take on one pair. We take on them three, four, five pairs at a time, and we trade all of them. During the NFP, guys, I traded I think four pairs at the same time, and all of them was a win. Within a period of how many minutes, I was able to make about $6,000, and I left 25% open to run till the next day that I closed later in the next day. So if you are just joining us, this is the beauty of being a part of Millionaires FX. Join our free Discord where you can get free signal to trade. You can also join me live to trade with me during the New York session whenever I come live. But then, if you also want to learn how to trade, guys, trust me, you can learn from me, and you're gonna be happy that you did. It's very easy, affordable, and I can give you all my time. In the inner circle, I teach one on one for 1 hour live session every single day. Yeah, I teach one on one. No, I don't do like look at the trading course, go and read and do that. No, I will teach you one on one every single day for until you are consistently profitable. And process, we'll go through the process together one by one until you can be able to face the market on your own. So that's the interesting part, guys. That's the interesting part of our trading system. That's the interesting part of our trading that you're going to love. I'm sure you're going to love it for sure. So that's it, guys. So that's it. So I teach you one on one. I hold your hands, show you how it's done, how I am able to do it, and then until you are able to do it. If you're just joining us, please invite your friends. Share this stream, guys. Share this stream. I really appreciate it. When the family is big, then we get to gist and communicate and have fun while we're trading. You know how sweet it is. It's so sweet, guys, when we can trade together like this and have a lot of fun together in the market. It's so cool. I love it, guys. So trading is very very boring adventure, and because of that, because of how boring it is good that you can create a trading community that you can actually enjoy. It's very cool, guys. It's very cool. It's very cool if you can create a trading community that you can actually enjoy. I kind of love it so much. I cannot love it. I can't love it less, guys. Okay, I can't love it less. So, guys, if you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX. You're welcome. We're still riding this trade to the ground. This is New York's open, and trust me, any moment from now, we are likely going to see some kind of pullback in this market. I will not be shocked if we see some kind of pullback in this market. So I'm going to be closing. I'm going to be closing these trades. Not all. I'm closing some of my trades right now, and then I'm going to hold the rest. Okay. So I'm going to hold the rest. Please, you can hold your trade. You can hold your trade. I'm closing because how long did it take you to become a consistently profitable trader? It can take you so long, bro. It depends on how the process is for you. How was the process for you? That is the most important question. How is the process for you? Okay. How is the process for you? That is the most important. Want to actually achieve some kind of success as a trader? That's what I'm going to tell you. It's not just going to be easy for you, bro. You have to do the work. The process. I've closed my profit, my trades in profit right now because I do not trust what is going to happen in the market. During the New York Open, they're going to go back, likely. I mean your own experience. Okay, let me explain to you. When I started becoming consistently profitable, depends on how you are willing, your mentor who is teaching you, and how much work you do on yourself. You have to do a lot of work on yourself. You have to do a lot of work on yourself. You have to trade yourself, and that can take you within a period of, it depends. Let me just be realistic. Call it 6 months of intensive learning. 6 months, yeah. 6 months to 1 year of intensive learning. Some people can tell you that you're going to become a consistently profitable trader in 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 month. It's not true. It's not true. They're not being honest with you. They're not being honest. And in fact, that you're going to be good, that you're consistently profitable trader, that 6 months is like not consistent. Like I said, it still depends on who is teaching you this thing. Depends on your mentor. If they can point you in the right direction fast, okay, if they point you, because apart from teaching you, you have to also gain the experience by yourself. There's some experience you need to gain by yourself. Do you understand now? Those experience those experience look at what I told you guys. I said once it's 5:30, once it's New York Open, they're going to go back up. Did I not tell you? Look at it. The market is now going back up. I've closed my trade in profit. See, it's going back up now. They are going to hunt those people that have just joined this market during New York Open. So that is it. So, but if you, it depends. Like I said about the question you asked me. I mean, it depends on how you are willing to do the work. You have to do the work. Trust me. If you do the work, it's going to make it faster for you. But if you do the work, it's going to reduce the time. It's going to reduce that because even though you have been taught, you must make some mistakes in the market and correct yourself. Make mistake, correct yourself. Make mistake, correct yourself, and then begin to adjust slowly, 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 slowly until then you completely adjust to the market, and you now begin to see consistent profits to the market, and that consistency is going to continue to increase with time. It's going to increase, improve, improve, improve. Do you understand now? It's going to continue to improve with time. I don't know if I'm making sense. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it's not like some people go tell you, "Hey, 1 month you can become a consistently profitable trader." They're not being honest with you. They're lying. They are not lying. They are lying to you. You know, it's not. It doesn't work like that. You cannot do it in 1 or 2 months. And secondly, you need a mentor. You cannot be a consistently profitable trader without having a mentor, somebody who has done it, who knows how it works, to point you in the right direction, to guide you. When you make a mistake, you can always go back to the person and say, "Okay, why did you do this? Why did I make this mistake?" The person say, "Okay, do it like this, do it like that." You need a mentor, someone that can guide you to in the right direction so that you don't make a mistake. So if you don't have a mentor, it's going to be so difficult for you to actually succeed in this business. I agree with you. It depends on a good mentor. So yeah, exactly. The mentor matters a lot. The mentor matters a lot. If you don't have a good mentor, and it's gonna be hard. And if you have a good mentor, you also have to do the work. Then those two things must come together. Then you're gonna you can see that quick profit in a short time. As soon as you want it, you can get it. But if you don't have a mentor, oh, bro, you are gonna be it's gonna be so hard, guy. Bro, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard for you to be consistently profitable if you don't have a mentor. It's gonna be hard. I'm telling you. So you need a mentor to succeed in this business. There's so many things in trading people don't know. When I look at the market, I see so many things that the ordinary trader cannot see. There's a timing factor to it apart from the price action. It's a price action aspect of it. There are so many things, and there's also a timing factor to it. You understand? Immediately it was 9:30 New York equity open. Immediately I closed on my position in profit. Now immediately the market reversed. Everything in this market does not only work with price action, also work with timing. You need to understand that aspect of timing. If you miss one, anyone that is missing can affect you seriously. Am I making sense, guy? Am I making sense to you? Do you have a mentor when you started this business? Sorry if I asked too many. It's okay to ask your question, bro. If you don't ask your question, you cannot win. Yeah, I had a mentor, but he was not good. He was not good. He didn't know how to trade, so it made it so difficult for me. The person who taught me how to trade, who introduced me to trading, my mentor, supposed mentor, he was not good. He was not good. He was not good. But I always see him doing it, and I kind of loved it. I wanted to do it. That was how I got interested and I started to learn. But it was always on and off because I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have someone that could guide me in the right direction. You understand? But I continued to make money and lose, 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 make money, lose, make money, lose, make money, lose. So what I was doing is I was on and off. I would come into trading and then I would go back. If I lose my money, I would stop trading for like maybe 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. I'll come back again one day. I'll fund my account again. I'll make some money and then I will lose everything again. I will run. Whenever I lose, I will run away. So I continue to do like that. I did that for so long. So long. So, but guess what? From last year, I said to myself, enough of the running. That was when I decided that okay, I would think I want to be a full-time trader. So what I was doing is that so so but when I decided to go in fully, it took me a while. So when I decided to go in fully, I started to do it full time. I decided to do it full time. So now I have to start learning because I decided to go in fully. So but when I decided to go in fully, I had to do the work. I started afresh. So I started afresh. I started to learn and learn and learn and learn and learn and learn and learn. And then something it started to come together slowly. So but my learning, I didn't have a good mentor. If I had a good mentor, maybe I should have been okay within 6 months to 1 year of learning. But for you to have both the experience and everything, at least it should take you at least 1 year, between 1 and 2 years. But it's not that simple. You don't just come into the market and begin to make money. Even though you are taught, after the learning process, you have to make some mistakes in the market and then you have to correct yourself, and then you'll be making the mistake, adjusting. But the fastest way to make the journey easier for yourself is to journal. Make sure you journal. I know it is very painful. It is very hard for me to accept the concept of journaling, but that was the best thing that I did in my trading. That to the extent that right now I cannot trade right now without taking journals. I don't trade right now without taking journals. Before I trade right now, I must take a journal of everything that I do in the market. I take journal of everything. These trades now, I'm going to take journals of them. The ones I lost, the ones I win. I'm going to take a journal. That way, it's going to help you to go back at the end of the day. When you review your journal, you know where your strengths are. So those places where your strengths are, is you can focus more on those places. You understand? You need to journal your trade. If you don't journal your trade, how can you monitor your progress if you're actually progressing or not? So it's very important if you want to shorten the stress, the troubles of trading. Make sure you journal your trade. It's very important. I have the handwritten journal. Some people have the software. Can you imagine? I look at my own. I have the handwritten journal. You can see. I have to show people every time they think it's a joke. Before I stand up from here, I have to write down. And every week, I have to write a remark. After the trade, I have to write the remark, how I'm feeling. Why did I think that I lost the trades that I lost? If I lost some trade, why did I lose those trades? If I want some trade, I do my own journaling with the hand. I draw it, take my time and draw it. It is my best friend, the journaling. So it can help you to track where the errors are, where the mistakes are, and then you can begin to avoid those mistakes, and then you can begin to see consistent growth in the market. Do you understand? That is it. You can ask me any other question you want to ask. Please, if you want to learn how to trade from me, just use or you want to get a free signal or join our free Discord group. All you have to do is to use the link in the description. You can see that link to join our free Discord channel. And then if you want to learn how to trade from me, make sure you DM me. I'm going to help you as much as I can. Most of the students who started with me some of them 3 weeks, some of them 1 month, they are all very happy right now. I'm telling you the truth. They are all very happy right now. They are all very happy right now. So you too can join. You too can join. You too can join. You can be a part of our inner circle, and you can take your trading to the next level. There I teach one-on-one. I teach people how to trade one-on-one. I'm going to show you my technique one-on-one. You know that people don't know. I'm also going to leak a secret to you guys today. There are things that move the market. There are things that move the market that people don't know. Those things that move the market, they are not just there are things that move this market that people don't know. And once they don't know, you are going to continue to fail because you don't know. What you don't know is bigger than you. It's going to make you to continue to lose money in this market, guys. Okay? Now I already take profit from this market. I'm not going to get into this market again. No matter how good it is right now, I'm not getting into this market again. For now, I'm done. I'm going to come back again later in the night to look for trading opportunities. For right now, I'm done. But that's not the target. This is the target below. I was thinking they were going to do a manipulation. That was the reason why I closed my positions. Okay, I already made a profit from this market, and I'm okay with the profit, and I don't want to lose the money I've made from this market. I'm going to come back later in the night to look for trading opportunities again to get into this market. But right now, as far as this market is concerned, I am done. I'm done for today trading this market. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it, guys. If you have a question, ask me. Feel free to ask anything. I'm going to answer you. I've shown you the target. That's where the market is going to stop. That's where we are going to see a reversal from. You can see the gold is going back. GBP USD dropped to the ground, but you can see gold is going back. AUD USD 2 is going back. Do you know the reason why they are going back? Let me tell you why. Let me show you on the currency strength meter. Let me show you why. AUD USD and gold are very strong pairs today. They are very strong against the USD. So the truth is that for the USD to continue to drive down, these pairs have to drop in energy. The currency strength has to drop for you for the market to continue to continue to the downside. Remember, these are all correlated pairs to the USD. So the reason why the GBP USD is still dropping is because if you look at GBP USD, it is looking, look at the arrow there showing that the momentum of the USD is getting weaker and weaker. So let me give you a tip on how to trade. One tip you can get from the currency strength meter. When you come to the currency strength meter, once you want to trade during the New York session, just open the currency strength meter, look for a pair that is very strong. Let's assume you're trading, you want to trade right now. You're going to look for a pair that is very, very strong, and a pair against a pair that is very, very weak. Let's assume that listen, let me give you guys some secret we don't know right now. I'm going to say this now. Let me give you guys some secrets. You see, whenever you come to the currency strength meter, you see AUD USD have full bar, and then the USD has only 4 bar. Do not ever trade it against the USD. Do not trade it against the USD. Do you know why? The USD is a stronger pair. Even with 4 bars, it can actually overpower the AUD USD. Now, what is the determining factor of who's going to win the battle? It is the arrow. Look at the arrows there. Where is the arrow pointing? When there is no arrow, the market is weak. Where is the arrow pointing? If the arrow is of the AUD is looking green and is pointing upwards, and then the USD is having no arrow, or it has a red arrow pointing downwards, it means that the AUD USD is really stronger and it is gaining more momentum, while the USD is weak and it is losing power. The currency strength is weak. That means at that point in time you're going to get the AUD. Okay, you're going to get the AUD. So I want you to understand that you're going to get the AUD having more strength. That means the market is going to move up. So that is not just the only parameters. Then when you put it together with the other parameters you are using to do the analysis, you are going to get yourself a nice trade. So if you know how to read these things, that's why I say it takes experience to read these things, but once you learn how to read it, you cannot unlearn it. Okay, so guys, if you're enjoying this stream, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever I come to this market, you're gonna be notified. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that whenever I come, you're gonna be notified. So if you're enjoying this stream, do you see that you have gone back up? I told you guys, I said immediately it was 5:30, the manipulation started. I told you that was why I took profit. You can see it on gold. Do you see? Started immediately. It was 9:30 New York Open. Look at the manipulation started now. They are going after everybody who have been enjoying this nice momentum to the downside. This movement is likely going to continue to the downside, but then they are going to go after them and take them out. Maybe then the market is going to fall again. If it does that, then we're going to get the opportunity to go short again. But right now, I've already taken profit. If you are with me, I'm sure you must have taken profit. If you haven't, I don't know what to say to you, bro, because I took profit immediately. It was 9:30 New York Open. Immediately, New York Eastern Standard Time. Because the move actually started 30 minutes before the New York Open, or I think 30 to 45 minutes before the New York Open. I knew that for them to start that move very early on all the pairs, once it is New York Open, they're going to go back to go and hit stops. Like I said to people, nobody gets a free lunch in this business. If you want to learn how to trade, learn from somebody who knows what this market is all about. So guys, that's it. If you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Encourage us to come here live once again encourage us to come here once again to actually give you more of these great, trading content. Okay? If you enjoy it, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then give me a thumbs up for a job well done. I hope you are not losing money, but do not be scared. This market is still going to continue to drop. That's the truth. It's going to drop. It's going to continue to drop. If you have any question, ask me. If you have your opinion, you can tell me your opinion. You can tell me your opinion, guys. I'm listening. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. Wow. Please, guys, if you're just joining us, I need to let you know that this is Millionaires FX, the finest trading platform you can get anywhere. Okay? And here today, we are trading live and we are killing it. I opened 3 positions on this space. That's why I said to you guys, if you don't have a sound knowledge of this market and you want to go and contend with these people, you're gonna be swept, like you're gonna be swept out of the market like nothing happened really. Now they have gone into the period of manipulations, so people are gonna take a hit right now. Immediately it was 5:30, I took profit because I know that this market, there's no way they're going to allow these people to continue to make money from this market. See, let me tell you something you don't know. In this business, nobody gets a free lunch. Nobody gets a free lunch. I always say to my student every time, you have to be on your toes at all times when you're in this market. Nobody gets a free lunch. If you think you'll get a free lunch, I'm sorry for you, but at some point you're going to be dealt with severely. So that's it, guys. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. This is Millionaires FX once again, the finest trading platform anywhere in the world, guys. I told you there will be manipulations once it is 5:30. So now we have had 30 minutes of pullback. Let's see the next 15 minutes candle and see where it is going. I want to see the next 15 minutes candle and see where it is going, guys. Maybe we are going to get another trading opportunity, but right now, stay away from this market until the pullback is done. So, I hope you got what I just explained to you right now. I hope you got it. If you have a question, there's something you don't understand, all you have to do is ask me. I'm going to try as much as I can to put you in order. I'm going to try as much as I can to teach you. Ask me if you don't understand something. Ask me. I'm going to teach you. Okay, this is Millionaires FX, the finest trading platform in the whole world. I said that. That's my claim, though. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome anytime. You're welcome anytime. So for you to learn this market and understand how this market works, there's more to this market than just this price action that you're seeing. Okay, there's more to it than just this price action that you're seeing. There's more to it. So people want to know, why is it doing this? The question is, why is the market doing this? The truth is that the market is not doing anything right now. I think that the market is just in a range, trading between these two range. This resistance at 1759.12 to 0.15, I think 1759.15, and this support at 1739.63. So these two levels are where the market is trading right now. Currently we are just in a range, and when the market is in a range, let me give you guys one secret again. When the market is in a range, you trade from the highs and the lows. Did you get that? you don't get it, forget about it, guys. You only trade from the highs and the lows. Someone asked me, is this the high? That's why I said this is not the high, but this is actually the market have actually hit the resistance. And now the market is going to drop to the ground again. There's a reason why the market is doing this. Now, the market is going to deal with people, people that want to come and make money from this market. If you don't use your head, if you're not using your head, you're not applying some level of common sense in this market, you're going to get chopped. Everybody gets chopped at some point. Just for me to reiterate that, so for you to be able to keep your money, you must have at least a little bit more than common sense. So this market is actually going to come back to this entry points, hopefully, and we are going to see that the market drop to the ground again. Hopefully, that's what I believe is going to happen, because it is not going back up. I don't see it going back up. Might not actually drop to the ground at once. It might just consolidate and consolidate and consolidate slowly, and then fall to the ground slowly. But when the market is in a range, you only trade from the highs and the lows. Some people say, yeah, this is the resistance. Why did you take the sell? But there's a double top here. Did you not see the double top? And there's also a peak formation here. People don't see that there's a peak formation. There's a peak formation here. And then after the peak formation, what do you see? The market drops. But here, what you're seeing here is just a manipulation, because they know that a lot of people are going to see this move and they're going to want to capitalize on it. A lot of people are going to want to make money from this move. That's why they moved the market before New York Open. Immediately I saw that they already moved the market during New York Open, I quickly took the trade. You remember when you were asking me a question, see, have I taken the trade? I said yes, I've already taken one. If it continues my way, I'll take another one. So when it continued, I took another one, added it to, and then I drove it to the middle. I closed one position, it get to this level, and I was watching the timing. The market was moving too fast, so I knew that, okay, for this market to do this, that means during New York Open, this market is going to reverse. So I was watching the timing. Immediately it was 9:30, palm on the dot. I closed all my positions, and immediately I closed my position, the market reversed. Isn't that interesting, guys? Isn't that interesting? So I'm hoping that this market is actually going to frustrate people. In the next 1 minute, let's see if what's going to happen with the next 15 minutes candle. If we are going to see that fall continue to the ground or not. If you are just joining us, guys, this is Millionaires FX. Please make sure to drop us a comment. Tell us your opinion. I just modded 3 trades right now, 3 pairs, and a total of how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 positions modded right now. So I believe that this market is going to start dropping again right now. That's what I believe. So right now I'm going to go in now, but now this time around I'm looking at going in with a smaller position. I'm looking to get in again, but this time I'm looking to go in with a very small position, so that okay, the New York Open have already come, so my entry will be better at that entry point, at that moving average. I want it to hit that moving average and reject it, bam, like that. Once it hits that moving average and rejects it, that's the second entry. And then I want to get a confirmation from the currency strength meter that we are likely going to see some kind of bearish move to finalize my entry. Okay, I want to see some kind of strength coming into the um I want to see the USD begin to pick up some strength. If I see the USD pick up some strength now, that means it's game over. It's time for us to do that. You see it has hit the moving average. So now that's where I'm waiting for on this gold. Now let us see what happens. Now let's see what happens. So let us see if we are going to get some kind of strength on the USD. Okay. So that's it, guys. So we're going to wait for that re-entry. Okay, it's beginning to happen slowly, 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 slowly. So I want to get confirmation, guys. I don't just want to sell or buy. I like to buy and sell with confirmation. Okay. So I'm looking at the possibility of that bearish move to continue. So now I'm watching the currency strength meter to see if the USD is going to pick up some strength. If it does, then we are going to be looking to continue that move to the downside, guys. You can actually time the entries. I've already told you this. I don't know. So that's it, guys. Okay, can we see that it is dropping again right now? I'm beginning to see some strength with the USD. I see it's beginning to drop again. I want to get in again. This time with a smaller position because we don't go fully ballistic again this time. So I've taken another position on gold right now, and I'm going to ride it again to the ground. Okay, guys, I want to ride the gold thing to the ground again this time. Now it have hit the moving average. I think that's a good place to sell again from. I'm already in good profit, so now I've reduced the position size. I've taken it again, and then I want to ride it to the ground. If it continues to the ground, that's what I want to do. So it is dropping slowly, guys. You can see. Okay, I've added another position again. Let's see if we can ride this thing to the ground again. Let us see if we can make some more profit on it again. The second one is already in profit again, so it's good. Okay. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm very bearish on this one. So my stop is directly above that wick, slightly above that wick. That's where my stop is. So I need to give the trade room to breathe. So if they want to do some kind of manipulation or whatever they want to do, I need to be able to allow them to do it. Okay. So that's it, guys. If you don't have a huge capital, you don't have to get in now. You have to wait for the move to begin. When the big candles come in, that's when you can get in. That's the good time to get in. If you don't have a good capital to hold this trade, you can hold. You can get in later. You don't have to be in a haste to get in now. Okay. If you have a good capital, you can hold and wait for the move to really begin. Okay. My stop is above the wick. See where the stop is? That's where I place my stop. So that's it. So people came to make money today, but the market is actually dealing with them. Okay, if you don't have enough capital, don't get into this market. Wait, the market is not done. It's gonna get done. When it's done, it's gonna start going down again. But if you don't have the capital, do not get in now. Wait, wait, guys. You have to be patient, guys. If you have a question, you can ask me, guys. So we're gonna wait it out, guys. There's no way to rush. Wait it out. If you violate that week, if you violate that week, then I'm closing. Okay, if it violates that week, I'm closing, guys. If it violates that week, I'm closing. Oh, I think they're going after that double top. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, it's dropping now. Let's see. I'm still very bearish on this market. I'm not disturbed. I'm bearish. Okay, guys, I'm not disturbed. I'm bearish. I'm holding my positions until I see some profits. I'm very bearish, guys. Very bearish on this. I don't care about the manipulation. I'm still very bearish. I'm still very bearish, guys. I'm not closing, I'm holding. So we're waiting. I'm still very bearish, guys. So, guys, if you're just joining us, tell us your thoughts. So in the next 1 minute, we're going to get the next 15 minutes candle, and then let us see what's going to happen. If you're going to still continue to, um, if they're going to still walk to the top or not, they're going to start going to the downside. Okay, they're still walking that top. They're still walking that top, but I believe that they should be thinking about going to the downside. I'm sure they must have been done with all the people who went short in this market. I'm sure they must have all been dealt with right now. So now they should be moving this market in the original direction, which is bearish. But if they continue to move bullish, then what can we say? So guys, I'm going to take a minute to journal my trades for today. Okay, while we wait for this market to do what we want it to do, I'm going to get my pen and I'm going to take a minute to journal my trades. So guys, we're waiting. Wow. We're waiting to see what happens. They're going to have to try to kick out as much people as possible from this market. They're going to try to kick them out. So wow, wow, wow. This is at this point this market is actually going haywire. It's going crazy right now. I do not think it is actually Today is going to be a very rough day for a lot of traders. So I'm still holding this trade until it hits my stop. If it hits my stop, then so be it. If it doesn't hit my stop, then um that's why I said if you don't have enough money to enough trading capital, then you must have enough patience. That's two things. Either you have enough trading capital or you have enough patience, because it could be disastrous for you. It's either you have enough capital or you have enough patience. Two things. You must have one. So they're still dealing with the retail traders right now. They're still dealing with a lot of retail traders. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Today's Tuesday. Tomorrow is no okay, okay. Um you see, the market can move today and still move tomorrow. But I know that I've started to see this consolidation here. I know that they're setting it up for the news tomorrow, or NFP. So I know they're setting it up for the news tomorrow. When I saw this consolidation today, I knew they are setting it up for the news tomorrow. So I saw it and I started to laugh. I said, okay. So, however, let us wait and see what happens. We do not know, but we'll see by tomorrow. Okay. Uh, the market might not. I do not expect it to stay choppy. Really, I do not expect it to stay choppy. I expect some kind of activity, a little bit of activity today, even tomorrow. I do not expect it to stay choppy. No, it doesn't make sense. Why would it stay choppy? Even if they are setting up the market for the news tomorrow, it doesn't mean, because they need to move the market to set it up also. So even though you don't expect to see like 100 pips move in the market, at least you're supposed to see like 50, as usual, 70 pips move in the market. So, but it happens in the week. Like if they move this market a lot on Monday, on Tuesday there's a high possibility that they wouldn't move it again. That's how they do. They move the market a lot on Monday. It's likely on Tuesday they wouldn't move it. That's how they behave. So that's how they are. So then on Wednesday they'll move it. Like in a week they move this market like three times. If you're observant, they'll move it like three times. Then but Friday they try to move it a little bit on Friday. So just call it like within three to four times a week. But there are days when you just come in a whole week and it's just manipulation after manipulation, manipulation after manipulation. That's one thing I have noticed about these people. So that's one thing I have noticed. So, but people don't see what you cannot see what I see, because I have this ability to see things that so many people cannot see. Okay, so I'm seeing that fall is gonna start again. It's gonna fall again. That's what I'm thinking right now. Have the ability to see what people cannot see in the market. holding my position. I'm still holding it a little bit, and I'm watching this market closely to see what's gonna happen. But I'm still very, very bearish in this market. Still very bearish. If it goes back there, I do not think that it's because of the news that it is doing this. This is just a manipulation to take out. Listen, people, they actually moved this market before the New York session, so the New York Open. So I think that this is just a manipulation to take out everybody that actually sold this market from up. Everybody has been taken out right now. So now that everybody has been taken out, I believe that the move is going to continue to the downside. That's what I believe. So I'm going to take a second to journal my trade. By this point, they have kicked everybody out of this market, but I'm expecting this market to drop to 4 right now. I'm expecting that downward move to begin very soon, unless it decides to break above it with momentum. That means, but I do not think it's gonna break it. I'm still thinking we're gonna go down. I'm waiting to see what happens. Okay. Wow. Hmm. Think everybody should be considering. Think the market should be done at this point. If it doesn't stop now, then there's a problem because it's at this point. I think expect it to pull back now. This is like strong one. Wow, it took me out, guys. Okay, I think it is getting tired now. I'm getting it again. I'm getting a sell again now. At this point, I'm getting a sell. I'm getting a sell at this point. I don't see it breaking that that level. I do not think. If it continues above, then it's game over for today. I think it is failing to break that level. I want to see some kind of pullback right now, some sell come into this market right now. I want to see some sellers step in and push it down right now because it's failing to break that level. That's where I'm looking at, and I place my stop above at but if it continues up, then that's it for today. But I don't think it's going to continue up right now. It is tired. I'm selling right now. I'm going short. I'm starting small. Let's see what happens. Okay, I believe it's going to hold that level. So now it's beginning to fall, guys. I told you it's going to drop. I'm waiting for that sell. So I thought they were going to stop it at this moving average, but it broke above the moving average, and now I've gotten to this trend line, and it have stopped there, and now we are going to see some bearish momentum kicking. So I'm going short now. This is my level where I'm going short, guys, on gold, and I'm going to ride it to the ground. The market is not done with the manipulation, but I don't think it is going to go above. If you go above this trend line, then that's it, guys. That's what it is. It is what it is today. But I do not think. I think it's going to drop from here at this point. Sorry. If it goes above the trend line, that's it. Ooh, looking very strong to the upside, guys. But I don't think it's going to break the trend line, guys. I do not think it's going to be able to break that level, that trend line. So from there, we're going to go shorts, and then so that's it, guys. So on this one, we're going to wait it out. So guys, I'm bearish. I got my positions in. I'm bearish. I'm going to see this market go short from here. Okay, I'm gonna go short. I'm already in this market, so I'm waiting it out to see what's gonna happen. If you break above this trend line, then I'm gonna close. If it fails to break above it, then if it fails at that level there, then we are gonna ride it to the ground again. It is failing to break the trend line right now, so there's some strong possibility that we're going to get that bearish momentum kicking any moment from now. So let's wait, guys. If it's unable to break that level, then we are likely going to get that bearish momentum in the market. So we see. I'm very, very bearish on this market. I am bearish, guys. Okay, now some sellers are kicking in right now. The buyers are unable to push it forwards. The sellers are kicking in right now. Let us see. Let us see if we are gonna be able to get this market at least to this level at 1748.48. That's what I'm looking at. That's the level I'm looking at. If I can get there, I'm gonna take profits, walk away for the day. It's a job well done. This kind of move that you see, if you are not experienced, you're not going to be able to understand what just happened here. It takes a lot of experience to understand what's happening here. Yeah. So guys, that's it for today, guys. I'm going to have to end the stream. I'm going to wait this trade out. I know that it is going to fall. Definitely. I'm very positive. It's going to fall aggressively very soon, any moment from now. So I'm going to wait it out, and then I've already taken my position. I'm going to hold it, and then I'm going to post this trade. If you're in the free Discord, I'm going to post this trade later so that to show you that I'm right. It's going to drop to the ground, and you're going to see it very soon. It's going to happen. I'm sure. Positive. I'm very, very bearish. I told you guys. So I'm going to hold my position. I'm going to write this thing. So I'm going to write this thing to the ground. I'm sure I'm going to write it to the ground. So that's it, guys. Okay, bro. Okay, guys. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Take care, guys. See you on the next one. It's dropping right now, guys. So you enjoy this trade. If you want to get in, this is the time for you to get in and join in enjoying this trade. This is the time to get in now. If you want to get in, This is, you can see it is beginning to drop right now. I'm going to take my profit immediately it hits this level. From where the from the immediately hit this level, I'm going to take my profits. I'm already in profit right now, so I'm going to hold on to it. Like I said to you guys, I know it's going to stop there. I'm already in profit, so allow it to drop to the ground. I'm going to allow it to fall to the ground, and then I'm going to take my profit. So you can join this trade if you want to take it. This is the time to get in and ride it to the ground. And I want to wish you a great trading day. I hope you enjoy the session. You can always join me here during the New York session. I always provide great signals every single day, and a lot of people make money from my signals. You can also make money. Just all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I come live, you are going to benefit from this particular trading opportunity. You're going to benefit from this session. So I want to see you on the next one, guys. Have a nice